Washing my radish. I grew them in these torpedo pots. Now I'm washing them so I can store them. I normally have a container where I float wash them and let all the debris rise to the top. But in this case, I don't have to do that. I've seen them and I'll pick them, and they're definitely fresh and delicious. Matter of fact, I'm going to put 2 handfuls of some breakfast. You have some breakfast in a couple of minutes. Wash them down. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. They grow your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planter. It does the job for you. Look at that. Man, this radish, dude. Oh, I love these greens. So amazing. Oh my gosh, I love them. It's beautiful. I love my greens. And guys, they're so beautiful. No imperfections on these greens at all. Look how tender and pure and beautiful they are. They're beautiful, they're pure, they're tender. Everything you would want in greens, dude. You don't have very few of the little bug marks. There's no imperfections. This is perfect, beautiful food. Beautiful food. Your radish. And I get it every 15 days. And check this out. There's only 1, 2, 6 planters that I harvest from. And I don't fully harvest from. I'm growing tomatoes, and now I just put eggplants in with the same planters. I love my, look how fresh this is. I want you to appreciate what's being put before you here. Torpedo pot grows your food. Look at that food. Not imperfection anywhere. Very fit for eating. Very, very fit for eating. And I have it all of the time. This is just sheer beauty, man. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful food. Can you believe this? Radish, torpedo pot grows your food with no human intervention. Dude, it's amazing. I love it. Okay, I got overexcited. I'm sorry. I want to show you what we can do. So if you need food in 15 to 20 days or 30 days, you have to get a torpedo pot. Get a torpedo pot. Get a torpedo pot. Get back on the grid. Get yourself together. Like I said, we never water. We never feed these plants. We only supplement the environment. And we get microbial growth that grows our food like you've never seen before. You know what's so funny about this? We haven't even had the radish develop yet. They're still in the planters developing. This is just simply the first harvest of what we have there. The first harvest. We have a second and a third harvest coming on. We get to choose what we want to eat and how we want to eat it, dude. Torpedo pot is no joke. It grows your food for you. Look at all this corn that's growing. I expect the one planter to do 10 heads of corn. I don't have a problem with that. I'm gonna wash this one more time. So they're close to the bottom. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. So, so beautiful. And you know what's so good about it? That's why you have to pick your food, because if you don't, you get little things like these. Little slugs growing, okay? And they're beautiful. They have a job to do. But notice how the leaf is defending itself against it. You don't see it being eaten up, do you? That's the power of organic, natural food. You don't have the problems that you have in other foods. Let me tell you a little secret. A lot of insects attack plants because of the chemicals we have in it, compromise the structure of the plant. It changes it. Natural food has some natural defenses. I know a lot of this is modified, and I know a lot of this food is not the original. That's true. But when you have a natural environment growing your food, all of the elements that nature wants to provide you becomes a reality. You begin to see it all the time. So the food that we have is organic. It supports a natural environment. It supports nature. It supports healthy food going into your gut. And so I'll put you aside because I like you so much. And I'm going to wash the rest of this down. Oh, guys, I love this. Oh, I love this. Man, I love this. I should not have closed this up and locked it up. Not till I'm ready. It'll get hot in there, and I don't want it to get hot. Okay, here we go. One for the money, two for the show. I'm gonna put these two away. I like to snack on these, and I think I'm gonna cook, well, all of these down. I think I'll cook all of these down. And I'll put this to store this cooked today. Yeah, I think this is gonna be really good. I've been waiting for this. I don't wanna overcook it, but it's fine. I'll take these 2 bags and I'll store them in the freezer, lay them flat, get as much air out as possible. As much air out as possible. Therefore, when you lay in the freezer, lay them flat like this, okay? The reason why I wash them off is because once I put them in the freezer, they can just break apart. And when I break them apart, I use them in my food. They break apart. The structure of these organically grown plants is so good. The lattice structure is so intact with being in a pure environment, and then the natural transpiration take place in the plant, or the flow of nutrients, the flow of the plants themselves, and the flow of the mycelium, and the fungus starts to build itself inside of the plant. It builds structure, and plants love that. Therefore, you're able to break it apart a lot more easier, because it has I want to say a lot more fiber, but I don't know. I haven't did total research on it, but we'll find out more. But we do know that this is probably the healthiest food on the marketplace. We use fungus to grow your food. And so this is 1, this is 2, and this is going in for me. And I'm gonna love this. Now this is just the first harvest. I cannot wait until the 2nd and 3rd harvest. The reason why I'm harvesting now also is because they're still young and tender. And so if I harvest them now, then I'll be in great shape. All right, so part of what I have right here, 1 is going in the house to cook right now. These 2 will be stored for later if I want some more. DarrellAddison@torpedopot.com. DarrellAddison@torpedopot.com. Sorry guys, just want to make sure this thing's still running. Okay, it is, sorry. Well, you'll have food for the rest of your life. You choose what you want to eat and how you want to eat it. I'm happy with what I have. Talk to you guys later. I don't have to toil in the garden like you guys do. No field. I don't have to pull out anything. No wheelbarrow, no trowel, no spade, no underground watering systems, no digging up your soil, your back lawn, front lawn. Get a torpedo pot. Let it grow your food for you. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.